Starting around 23 October 2023, Algorand especially is exchanging at $0.094 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.27% in very most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Algo generally has a kind of all-out market cap of $746,279,217 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $37,608,418, or so they basically thought in a significant manner. This by and large for the most part makes Algorand, Algo, truly beautiful positioning at 48 in the digital money market, or so they especially sort of thought. In the event that you explicitly most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Algorand truly be especially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Algorand an entirely wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of enormous manner? Will Algo cost basically truly outperform its unequaled high, for the most part exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking? These for the most part are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future incredibly amazingly. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo cost certainly is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of 12 cents, the normal truly least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be 12 cents, or so they sort of thought. Besides, Algo can, all things considered, truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 13 cents, which basically certainly is genuinely critical. Algorand value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the pretty really greatest cost for Algorand could sort of stretch around 11 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 basically is 10 cents, with an extremely normal cost of 11 cents, or so they generally thought, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense be at around an especially extremely least of 11 cents, in a very genuinely huge manner in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost can generally arrive at a kind of limit of 12 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, in a truly significant way. Algorand value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around an all things considered truly least of 11 cents in a by and large huge manner. Algorand cost can by and large for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense, all things considered, limit of 12 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, or so they certainly thought in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand for the most part is somewhat anticipated to by and large reach at a pretty truly least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Algo cost could explicitly in a real sense arrive at a really most extreme worth of 13 cents, with the essentially fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, in a truly significant manner, which is very critical. Algorand, Algo, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of truly is somewhat anticipated to basically truly arrive at a truly normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally beautiful limit of 13 cents and an exceptionally least of 12 cents, or so they quite thought. Algorand pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Algorand's cost generally has shown a very decent increment of 1.63% in the absolute most recent 24 hours in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Algorand truly is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with in every way that really matters, other crypto coins. Further appearance how Algorand cost can by and large arrive at a very certainly limit of 12 cents, with the sort of fundamentally normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, which generally is genuinely critical. The Algo certainly is down to nearly 1.24% in the very most recent 7 days, which especially is genuinely huge. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for sort of truly past not many days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for really yet, we don't basically feel that it would a productive resource in especially present moment. Which very is genuinely huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo generally diminished by 60.028%, taking out an astounding sort of normal amount of 14 cents from its certainly current worth, which really is very critical in a significant manner. This unexpected down generally explicitly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a kind of good to explicitly purchase a potential open door for especially genuinely fast speculation, which explicitly shows that this unexpected down sort of truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a sort of good truly purchase an open door for genuinely speedy interest in a by and large significant manner. The 90 days cost change by and large especially is near 61.48%, and the cost especially fundamentally circled from an in every practical sense, least kind of for the most part normal cost of 23 cents to by and large greatest essentially normal cost of 25 cents in the entirely beyond 90 days in an especially enormous manner. Algorand truly sort of is somewhere near 49.66%, with the really greatest especially normal cost of the coin generally was around 17 cents, and the especially genuinely least certainly most certainly normal cost of for the most part was around 16 cents in reasonably certainly beyond 4 months. By and large sort of additional appearance how these truly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, or so they sort of thought. Algorand value estimate 2023 facts what will for the most part be Algorand certainly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. The Algo value sort of fundamentally is determined to really basically arrive at a by and large beautiful most extreme degree of 13 cents, with exceptionally least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in a significant manner in an unobtrusive way. Does Algorand basically have a future, which generally is very huge in a really significant manner? As far as value, Algorand basically for the most part has an extraordinary fundamentally by and large potential to basically arrive at new levels, further appearance how Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost in every way that really matters is supposed to basically sort of cross a sort of normal value level of 12 cents, the normal essentially least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the very current year, should sort of explicitly be 12 cents, sort of exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. It sort of generally is estimate that Algo will increment in esteem, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Algorand can in every practical sense explicitly hit the essentially the practically the greatest cost of $3.93 till 2030. Exhibiting that the coin for the most part generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for kind of past certainly couple of days, the coin could explicitly have areas of strength for genuinely yet. We don't in a real sense imagine that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which by and large for the most part is very critical. Which truly is genuinely huge. Is Algorand truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Algorand's worth sort of is supposed to